Okay, this is a 64 C10. It's been fully restored. It's got fuel injection. It's got a 383 built. The guy that built this truck was extremely meticulous. It's all done right. Looks really good. Very nice looking truck. Look at the inside of that bed. This truck has been babied. I don't think I've seen a scratch on it. That's a little walk around. Here's that engine, here's that fuel injection, power brakes, AC. Can't wait to show you the inside. Looks really nice. Does have a few little blemishes, like this little crack right here, this little bubble in the paint on the hood. If you look right there, you see a little teeny bubble. Okay, now I'm gonna take you to the inside. Door opens real nice. Here we go. Nice carpet. There was attention to detail in here. It looks really nice. Look at that AC. Oh my goodness. Look at that stainless steel bar that has all the vents on it. That's really nice. Oh, the seat's soft. Gotta love that. In a 1964, you don't see that very often. I'm gonna take you underneath the truck. And that door shuts nice. It's got disc brakes. It's got headers. Looks really nice. Frame's been painted, obviously. It's got drop spindles on it. Some Krager SS rims. It's got a nice little rake to it.
Hey Joe.
How you doing?
I'm Noah.
Oh, okay. Good to see you. You're the one that invited me, right?
Yeah.
Cool. I appreciate that.
I'm on YouTube as well too. So we're both videoing.
That's right.
Together.
That's right. Here's a shout out for Noah. How you doing, Noah?
Subscribe to me on YouTube, Noah Burgers.
All right.
My
Sounds
YouTube name.
sounds good. I'll put a link down the description. Very nice looking truck. Exhaust out of the side. You guys be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, there's the normal exhaust. It's pretty quiet. Nothing coming out of this one, right? That's the cutout. Okay. Okay.